How to make a surfer on acid cocktail. G'day there drinking buddies, it's Scotty Boxa here for DrinkLab.org, your home to thousands of free cocktail recipes. This here is the surfer on acid. It was very popular in California in the 90s and it is usually done as a shot, or nowadays it's probably more a bit of a cocktail, and this is how to make it. For this you'll need 1 ounce of Jägermeister, 1 ounce of coconut rum, and 1 ounce of pineapple juice. In a cocktail shaker with ice, pour in your Jägermeister, coconut rum, and pineapple juice. Give it a shake. Strain into your glass and garnish with a lime wedge. If you're in need of a new cocktail shaker, be sure to check out our website for some awesome deals. And there you have it, the surfer on acid. If you want more cocktails like this, then head on over to our website, DrinkLab.org, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or sign up to become my drink buddy. Go out there, enjoy yourself, don't destroy yourself, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.